Hi there everyone. I hope you all are doing well. Today we will be talking about mangoes, their health benefits and interesting facts about mangoes. So, do you love eating mangoes? How often do you eat mangoes? To know everything about mangoes, keep watching the video till the end. At the end I will reveal some of the interesting facts about mangoes. So, keep watching. And if you still didn't subscribe to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. We always provide you with informative videos. Mango is native to India and Southeast Asia. These colorful, sweet fruits are popular throughout the world and they are a mainstay of Indian cuisine. Mangoes only grow in warmer climates. There are many types of mangoes, each with a unique shape, taste, color, and size. Some people call it the king of fruits. In addition to being sumptuous, amazing, and pulpy, mangoes pack a host of health benefits too because they contain these following nutrients, per 100 gram. Energy 60 kilocalorie, protein, 0.82 gram, total lipid, 0.38 gram, carbohydrate, 14.98 gram. Dietary fiber, 1.6 gram, calcium, 11 milligrams, vitamin C, 36.4 milligrams. Mango lovers around the world desperately wait for summers to enjoy this ripe, pulpy, juicy, delicious fruit. People who love mangoes should also know about the health benefits of eating mangoes. So, let us discuss the health benefits of mangoes. Number 1. Mangoes may boost immunity. Mangoes provide 10% of your daily vitamin A needs. Vitamin A is needed for a healthy immune system, as it can help fight infections. Also, mangoes contain vitamin C, which can boost your immunity system. Number 2. Mangoes may control cholesterol levels. Mangoes contain high levels of vitamin C, and pectin. The high levels of pectin may help bring down the low-density lipoprotein levels in circulation, making them a perfect fruit for controlling high cholesterol level. Number 3. Mangoes may promote eye health. Mangoes are rich in beta-carotene that helps in the production of vitamin A. This nutrient helps improve vision, boosts overall eye health. Number 4. Mangoes may promote healthy skin. Mangoes are filled with skin-friendly vitamin A and vitamin C. Both of these vitamins are crucial for healthy skin and skin repair. Certain nutrients present in mangoes can treat pores and give a glow to your skin. Number 5. Mangoes may help in weight loss. It may be surprising to you because of the sugar content of mangoes. Although, mangoes when eaten in moderation could help in weight loss. The phytochemicals in the mango skin may help in reducing weight. Fibers make you feel full for a longer time, hence can reduce calorie intake. Number 6. Mangoes may promote healthy gut. Mango flesh contains prebiotic dietary fiber, which helps feed good bacteria in the gut. Number 7. Mangoes may improve digestion. Mango contains a group of digestive enzymes called amylases. Amylases break down complex carbs into simpler form. These enzymes are more active in ripe mangoes. Mangoes contain plenty of dietary fiber and water, that may help solve digestive problems like diarrhea and constipation. Number 8. Mangoes may help fight cancer. Mangoes contain antioxidants such as fisetin, quercetin, astragalin, isoquercitrin, gallic acid, and methylgallic. These properties protect our body against different types of cancer. Number 9. Mangoes may improve hair health. Mango is high in vitamin C, which promotes healthy hair. Vitamin C is essential for making collagen, a protein that gives structure to your hair. Number 10. Mangoes may prevent heat stroke. This summer fruit also helps in preventing heat stroke. Eating it can give you refreshment. This fruit can help you in staying cool during the hot weather. Now, coming to some interesting facts about mangoes. Number 1. Mangoes were first grown in India over 5,000 years ago. Number 2. Throughout the world there are numerous varieties of mango being produced. Number 3. The mango is a national fruit of 3 different countries. These are India, Pakistan, and Philippines. Number 4. Flowers of mango trees are pollinated by insects. Number 5. Less than 1% of the flowers will mature. Number 6. Binomial name of mangoes is Mangifera indica. Number 7, the heaviest mango weighed 4.25 kilograms. Number 8, mango belongs to the Anacardiaceae family. Number 9, India is termed as the mango capital of the world as India produces the highest amounts of mangoes. Number 10, mango fruit can come in various sizes, shapes, and colors including yellow, red, orange, and green. So these were some facts about mangoes. Did you like it? Let us know in the comments. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you, have a good day.